4. Okay, so I'm going to go that. That'll be it. And I'll be there then. We've got people that
You want this guy trimmed?
Huh?
Yeah, he probably does need to be trimmed.
This one needs to be trimmed, Russ.
Well, now we're adding to the pot.
We got 5 to work on. One of mine needs shoes. 2 of mine need trimmed.
Now what?
Risky needs shoes, Roxy, and this one needs trimmed.
All right, I need 3 shoes and 3.5 shoes and 2 trims. 2 of them are mine. 4 of them are Paulson's.
3 of them are Paulson's.
3 Paulson's and 1 outside horse. Okay, there's a stud here to get his feet trimmed. And then there's the Charles building to get shoes on. And stay there to get 2 front shoes on. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
He puts up with it.
Okay.
I'm a little
Yep. Hey, you open my pick up the maroon and silver. My pick up the maroon and silver Chevy. There'll be a black feather light trailer sitting here in the yard. Big barn, you can't miss it. Horse pins out to the east right along the road. I'll be there. What are you doing tomorrow?
He just hates it.
Yeah, he just doesn't seem to get too worked up about it.